Good morning, everybody, from Disney's Hollywood Studios. I'm actually walking in with my sister. If you've seen my recent updates, you know how significant that is. Today, we are at Disney's Hollywood Studios for one thing and one thing only. The thing that I've been excited for since the announcement, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Dun, dun.
I'm excited. Alright, some of you know this, not all of you do. Han Solo is my favorite character in Star Wars, and the Millennium Falcon is hands down my favorite ship. I cannot believe I'm walking in it.
Oh, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agree, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye. We better go before he changes his mind.
Alright, so we got the pilots. I could hang out in here all freaking day. Oh my god, it's just like the Falcon. I feel like I'm on the set of Star Wars.
You play the back.
This is amazing.
Line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that. Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, what's it? Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapon. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gravity go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend.
Sorry guys, my fault.
Oops.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container
Oh, good idea.
of Axiom. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that looks rough.
Solid.
Not good. So we have a long way to go until we're the greatest pilots in the galaxy.
Long way.
A long way. Part of it, I think the controls I have to get used to those a little bit, like the down is up is down, right is left. Like it gets a little confusing at first. And then I think another part of that was the, oh my God, I'm actually here. Oh my God, I'm actually doing this. I had to get over that for a second, and then hopefully, I don't know, this is not gonna be my last time on the ride, so I will get better. So I do feel the need to say this. We're actually not going to be building a lightsaber, building a droid. We're mostly coming in here, checking out the land for the first time. Gonna try some blue milk and pilot the Falcon. But I will show off the droid depot because it looks cool. Alright, so to build your own droid does cost about $100, and I have every intent of coming back and doing it again one day. Last thing I want to get done for today in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is a staple of the new land. Trying the blue and green milk. Today we're just going to be trying the blue milk though. I might come back another time and try the green. Alright, and here it is. I got a droid speaking behind me if you want to give it a second. The official drink of Star Wars, blue milk. Mikhail, what did you say it smelled like?
Medicine.
Okay, sounds good. It's not bad actually. And it's more of a slush consistency than like a milk consistency. But it's good, I would get it again. So that will about do it from Hollywood Studios and Galaxy's Edge. Feels good. It feels good to be out and about. It feels good to have finally come. It was really cool, and I'm gonna be back a lot and do a lot more. In the meantime though, go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode, and you guys have a great one.
It tastes like Pandora smells. And it's a wonderful smell, but I don't want to taste it.